Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about the quotient rule of derivative. So we have y equals to a over b. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b minus we do first derivative of b multiplied by a over b squared. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we do first derivative of a multiplied by s squared minus s minus 6 minus we do first derivative of b over b squared. B that is about this one. Next, first derivative of s squared, we have 2s. First derivative of e to the power of s, we have e to the power of s. This one, we have 2s minus 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.